Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a fabric rose without a sewing machine. All you need is your fabric, your thread, and your hand needle. The first thing you do is cut out your fabric, which I've already done. For the width I used 8 inches, and for the length I used 30.5 inches. So you have to first decide the size of rose you want, and that will determine the measurement to use. Then you fold the width into two, pull the edge to form a triangle, and then cut out about 3 inches. Get your thread and needle and start sewing, making sure the space is wide enough to pull to form your gathers. So after sewing to the end of the width, you then pull the upper part to meet with the lower part to make them equal, and then sew till the end of the fabric. So as you can see, the ends are not equal, so you need to cut off the excess fabric and then sew to the end of the fabric. And when you're done sewing, you pull the thread to form your gathers and then arrange the gathers properly. Then hold one end of the gathers and wrap it with the other end. Use your thread and needle to secure it all around. So you can decide to use whatever you like to design it. You can use pearls, you can use buttons, but I decided to use the cutout from the fabric I was working with. See how beautiful it looks? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.